Hello friends, welcome to Abhyami Tutorials. So today in this video we'll see a Python certification example. It's a lab, so we'll do this problem using the while loop. Okay, so it is a game to guess the secret number. Okay, so user has to enter the secret number and use a while loop. If it is not guessed correctly, that means the guessed number is not equal to secret number. You have to display aha you are stuck in my loop. Okay, finally you enter the secret number, you guess the number correctly, then you have to display well done Muggle, you are free now. Okay, so while loop we have to use and do this. Okay, it's exercise for while loop. Okay, so let's write the code here. So let's say guess number equal to int input guess the number. Okay, so I have to enter a number. It's a guess number game, right? So guess number, then we have to write the while loop. While guess underscore number not equal to secret number. So we have given secret number as 777 here, right? So secret number is 777. So while guess number is not equal to secret number, then you have to display what, guys? You have to display this one. Aha, you are stuck in my loop. So it's a stuck in while loop. Okay. Then we have to guess it again. Okay. Then guess number equal to int input guess the number again. Guess the number again. Okay. So you have to enter the number again. So this will happen till you guess the secret number. Okay. So once you guess the secret number, you have to come out and print well done, Muggle, you are free now. Okay, so this you have to print. Okay, guys. So this is our code. Let's run and see. Okay, so here it's a number game. So guess the number. Let's say 5. Now you are stuck in my loop. Guess the number 8. Stuck in my loop. Guess 55. Stuck in my loop. Right. Okay. So I entered fastly. That's why it has not taken. So let us try it again. Guess number 55. No, we are stuck in my loop. Guess number 68. Stuck in my loop. Guess number 45. Stuck in my loop. So let us guess the number correctly. That is secret number 7. Okay, here it's not displaying the cursor. Okay, let me try it again, guys. So guess number 55 is stuck in my loop. 68 stuck in my loop. Again, secret number is 777. Yeah, well done, Mukul. You are free now. So, like this, the while loop works. Okay. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, Abhyami Tutorials, for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.